Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today showing you around this Ford EcoSport 1.0T EcoBoost ST-Line, finishing wide and powered by 1 litre EcoBoost petrol engine producing 125 PS paired with manual transmission. This compact SUV combines agile city driving with bold crossover styling. The ST-Line design brings sporty flair with ebony black grille accents, body color ST-Line bumpers and cladding, as well as 17-inch alloy wheels which not only enhance curb appeal but also support the car's confident handling, made sharper with sport suspension for improved grip and reduced body roll. At the back, ST-Line style rear lights, sporty bumper insert and roof spoiler highlight the vehicle's urban meets active design. The EcoSport features side hinged rear door and smartly designed boot with an adjustable load floor for extra flexibility. 60/40 split folding rear seats make it easy to adapt the layout. The rear seats provide comfortable space for passengers with height adjustable headrests and ISOFIX mounting points for child seats. Inside, the front cabin features red stitched ST-Line sport seats, soft touch dashboard and leather trimmed gear knob and handbrake. The perforated leather trimmed steering wheel features chrome inserts and red stitching, echoing the car's sporty intentions. Controls for media phone and cruise control are integrated with a clear analog cluster and digital trip computer ahead. On offer is electronic automatic temperature control, which maintains your chosen temperature efficiently. The infotainment system offers crisp sound via Ford Sync 3 with 8-inch touchscreen, as well as hands-free control via Bluetooth plus app integration. You also get built-in satellite navigation system with intuitive route planning, as well as voice control, allowing you to easily adjust settings on the move, and plenty of vehicle settings to personalize your drive-through sync interface. On top of that, the driver will additionally benefit from the feedback from the reversing camera to help maneuvering the vehicle in tighter spaces. This has been a presentation of the Ford EcoSport 1.0T EcoBoost ST-Line. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.